Welcome to this training module looking at the Smart Notebook software. In this module, we will look at shapes and how they allow us to create simple interactive activities. Create a text label as an example. By selecting the Shapes icon, the secondary menu appears. We will select a rectangle. By selecting the Colour icon, we can change the fill colour and line colour. Back on our notebook page, we can drag and release our new drawing. Text can be added to the rectangle by going to the Select icon and double-clicking on the rectangle. This goes into an edit mode where text can be added. Once a template is drawn up, changing the text and colour is simple, especially when using the clone function. Let's create 4 labels as an example. Weed, feet, wood, foot. These can now be moved freely around our notebook. You can now create a sorting or labelling exercise.